In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NotebookLM for note-taking. If you're looking for a smart, efficient way to organize and synthesize your notes, you're in the right place. NotebookLM offers a dynamic platform designed to make note-taking an intuitive and automated experience. And today, we're going to guide you through the process of getting started and making the most of its features. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type NotebookLM and press Enter. You'll find the official NotebookLM website in the search results. Go ahead and click on that link to open the website. Once there, look for the button or banner that says Try NotebookLM and click it. This will bring you to a page where you can create a new notebook. On this new page, you'll see an option to create a new notebook. Click on Create New, and you'll be prompted to either start fresh or upload sources. Let's focus on uploading a source file first. Click on the Upload Sources link and navigate to the file you wish to upload as your primary source of information. This could be a document of lecture notes, a chapter from a book, or any digital file you'd like to work with. Now, one of the great features of NotebookLM is its versatility in how you can add notes. You have two primary methods for note-taking. The first method involves manually adding your own notes. On the right-hand side of your notebook interface, you'll spot the Notes panel. To start taking notes, click on Add Note. A text editor will open, allowing you to jot down your thoughts, observations, meeting minutes, or any manual summaries you find necessary. This method is ideal for those who prefer to personalize their notes with detailed input. The second method leverages the power of AI to aid your note-taking. In the main chat panel, you can use the chat feature to generate summaries automatically. All you need to do is type a specific prompt, such as, "Give me concise notes on the key points of the uploaded book chapter," and then submit your request. The AI will process this and generate a summary for you. To save this as a note, simply click on Save to Note. This feature is particularly useful for quick summaries, saving you time and effort. Additionally, NotebookLM provides a studio panel where you can generate study aids. Using the flashcards feature, you can automatically create questions and answers from your material. This method supports active recall, making your study sessions more effective. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on using NotebookLM effectively for your note-taking needs. Whether you prefer hands-on input or automated features, NotebookLM has you covered. Try these techniques and see how they can transform your note-taking experience. Thanks for watching, and happy studying!